Unraveling, IDK, a guide to internet slang for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of internet slang, focusing on one of the most commonly used abbreviations, IDK, which stands for, I don't know. This phrase is a staple in digital communication, so understanding it can greatly enhance your online interactions. Let's get started. IDK is an abbreviation for, I don't know. It's used when you lack knowledge about a topic or are unsure about an answer. This abbreviation is particularly popular in texting and online messaging because it's quick and conveys the message efficiently in casual conversations. IDK can be used in various situations. Here are a few examples. In text messages, it's perfect for quick replies when you're unsure about the answer to a question. On social media, use it in comments or posts when you want to express uncertainty or a lack of knowledge about a topic. In informal emails, though less common, it can be used in emails among friends or in situations where informal language is acceptable. Remember, IDK is informal. It's best used in casual settings or among peers. While IDK is straightforward, it can also convey subtleties in communication. Tone. The tone can range from genuine uncertainty to indifference. Sometimes, it's used to avoid answering questions. Context matters. The meaning can shift slightly based on the conversation. It might signal a need for more information or a polite way to express disinterest. There are a few variations and similar abbreviations to be aware of. IDC, I don't care, expresses a lack of interest. IDR, I don't remember, indicates that the speaker cannot recall something. IDM, I don't mind, shows indifference or a lack of preference. Understanding these variations can help you navigate conversations more effectively. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using IDK in your everyday online communications. Whether you're texting, on social media, or just browsing the internet, knowing these abbreviations can make your interactions smoother and more enjoyable. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English language learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.